All right, guys, 2014 Dodge Charger, 5.7 liter Hemi. What we got done on it? Factory converter, there and there. Then an X pipe right there. Then what we put on it is two MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKs, part number 10415. There'll be a link in the description for them, guys. Right there, two of them. One there and one there. Came out really nice. Then 2 1/4 continues. Then we did a rear resonator delete there and right there, as you guys can see. And then he brought his own tips, some bullies right there. We put them on, and that's what it looks like after. Nice and clean. Really nice car, good looking. He drove an hour to get here, guys, so we really appreciate him bringing it in. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. Hit us up if you guys are in the area. That's you. It makes her happy. Thumbs up. Yeah. That's perfect. Here's sound decibels. MAGNAFLOW always sounds good, nice and deep. And the nice thing about MAGNAFLOW, guys, is it's quiet at idle. Look. See how quiet it is? Then you give it gas. Opens up, so you can creep if you need to, or without people knowing. Go up on somebody quietly and then rev it. I think it sounds good. Came out sounding good. What do you guys think? Would you rather have straight pipe, MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKs, or Flowmaster Super 10s on these Chargers? I've had enough videos up that you guys can answer this question for me. So answer this question for me. MAGNAFLOW, Flowmaster, or straight pipe? Or a full kit like Borla or Corsa? That came out nice. I like the pins at the back. Charger Hemi. There it is, and we are located in Nashville. You guys, you see that? We are in Nashville, Tennessee. Call us up. Let you guys hear it in the inside. It's got a front lip too. Good looking car. There you go. Let's see what kind of send off she can give us. We appreciate her bringing it in. See that Hemi breathe? Yeah. Oh, that's perfect. Look at that sound. That's sexy. Beast mode. Enjoy, guys.